is?
I was thinking about going to a game today, but...
Oh shit! We're rolling? Are we rolling, Denzel? What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. No, I'm just kidding. I hate when people start like that. So we're gonna start the vlog like this: happy girlfriend, happy life. So the team's about to meet up right now. The squad's about to meet up. We're gonna go get trained by. I always mess up his name, so I'm not gonna attempt to say his name. I'm just gonna put his name at the bottom. Denzel, can you put his name at the bottom?
I got you.
Thank you. I went to train with him last week. I was supposed to go film Jordy with my camera, just get some clips for social media. And bro, he's like, "Oh, you're not gonna work out?" I'm like, "No, I'm just here to watch and film." And he's like, "You know, when you're thirsty and someone offers you water, you turn it down, it's disrespectful." It's like, damn. So I worked out and he clapped me out. So I know this is gonna be great content. I believe he has a YouTube channel. I know he has social media, all that. So we'll put all his information. But shout out to Big John for letting me tag along, and Jordy too. I don't know, whatever, I'm rambling. Right now I'm going to Starbucks to wait for the team to meet up, and we're gonna go probably grab some breakfast, and then we're gonna go work on some arms, and then we'll probably go eat again, because that's all we do is eat and eat. The right food though, quality food. Right, Denzel?
Right.
This is crazy. Check this out. This is nuts. Okay, and then for the drink, I'll take. This is nuts. I don't know how people remember this stuff. Like, can I get a grande shaken espresso, oat milk, no classic, add 2 pumps of white mocha, and a venti cup with extra ice, and then can you add cinnamon on top?
That's one drink?
That's one drink. And she's like, okay, anything else like that?
Okay, and then I just...
Yes, yeah. How do you remember all this stuff?
I was like pushing buttons as you were telling me. So
Oh, okay.
I wanted to make sure I got it right.
All right, that's crazy.
Alright, anything
Shout out
else?
to no, that's it. I think I put you through enough today. Shout out to Starbucks people, honestly. Like if someone came and ordered that, I'm like, yeah, you're getting a black coffee, 1 pump of whatever sweeter it is, the closest to my right hand, and yes, you can have cinnamon. That's it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tasks you have to do to make one drink. That's called coffee. That's the craziest thing in my life. Go tip your Starbucks workers. They work hard for you. Not sponsored by Starbucks. But yeah, today's vlog is gonna be all over the place. It's just gonna be my day. It's just gonna be our day, my day, our day. You guys get to know more of the squad, which is, you know, Jordy and Big John. You know, we're doing the online coaching all together as a team, as a whole. It's doing successful, like over 500 leads, and we already have 30-something people signed up. When you watch this, we'll probably be at like 40 to 50. Thank you. Can I get a straw, please? It's cool. So let's just come with us for the day. Just join me for this wonderful, beautiful Friday. 2 fucking idiots in a pod. Literally. 2 idiots in a pod. Hurry up so we can go. We got Denzel in here. We're waiting for Jordy and John. They're over here taking their sweet ass time, acting like I don't got Steve Harvey to be on. Oh my. Hurry up. Hey, the Fruta guy, that's your dad, bro. We know that's your dad. That's why you stop by and support his business. Mangoes. Watermelon. Sandia.
Micah.
Jamaica.
Where's the flower?
Alright, I'll see you right now. Like,
I was thinking about going to a game today, but... yeah, it's a Jackie Robinson giveaway. I'm like, I already got a Jackie Robinson jersey. So save money. Save money.
you don't even watch baseball.
I just go for the experience. I'll go alone, speak to a few people, have some free food because my friends work there. So, you know, I just pay for a ticket. I don't pay for food.
Who's a pitcher for the Dodgers?
You got Clayton Kershaw.
Oh.
Jansen got traded, so that sucks.
Oh, damn.
You got Freddie. I think he's number 5.
He does know sports. All right, get it. Shut
Yeah.
up. Don't make me look bad.
Yeah.
I just like, no, it's a group choice. We all have a group message with each other.
That's all right.
We all just
That's
dislike you.
all right. I'm not here to be liked.
You're not liked.
I'm not.
You're not.
That's all right.
You're not. Even if you were here to be liked, you're not.
I would have bought a hybrid Lexus. Those shits are fast.
Hey, he's the one that got his mom to like
Ioniq. It's an Ioniq. Hey, sport mode?
Shit.
I'm still a car guy at heart, so I've
A C63.
I don't know why I made
63 AMG?
Yep.
Nah.
Good option.
Yep.
Now he wants to see C63 AMG after we showed him the C63
No,
AMG.
get the fuck out of here. What was the
All
other
of a
one?
sudden.
Oh, the other one was
A V6 Mustang.
I want the Brabus. The C63 Brabus.
We'll hop on the phone call while we're talking.
Yeah, he's on the sheet.
You gonna take the elevator?
Yeah.
yeah.
Fucking lazy ass.
Lazy guy. Oh yeah. He give him a workout, and if he sees I'm busy, he just goes and follows the receipt to me. Boom.
It's like you can't take it.
I would be laughing at myself.
You get a food
I
check?
got potatoes, 4 pieces of bacon, 3 eggs, over hard, 2 cuts of tomato, no ketchup, only Tabasco, salt, and pepper. I want ketchup, but I'm on 75 hard, so tragic. Too much sugar.
What is it?
Got an acai bowl, 3 eggs, spinach, chicken breasts, and potatoes, and bread that I'm probably not gonna eat.
Is that your food? Like salty personality, like people that are salty, like drink too much salt in their water, like just salty. People salty. Damn, that shit was bomb.
Put a little casu in my cooking.
Oh, it must be nice to use ketchup. I remember the days. I can still taste it.
I got a bagel, avocado bagel, and I got some egg scrambled. I think I'm gonna eat that after.
Always extra. Extra block.
No, I got it. When I picked it up, I saw some shit.
Looked at it and drank it again.
I mean, there ain't nothing wrong with it.
Oh, you gotta take. You put salt the whole time.
I wasn't. I didn't barely drinking it when you brought it. I haven't drank it.
No, the first cup. I put salt in it.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, look.
I've been putting salt in it since you sat down. There's all on camera.
I heard salt's good for you though when you work out.
It is good for me.
So I was like, I hate when people are salty.
I put it when I took his water.
I know.
He texts me, he's all, have him film. He's used to it. The guy's a fucking gremlin, bro. He eats anything.
Fuck, and I gotta leave by 1.
He didn't even answer the question.
He didn't even answer the question. He's just like,
I
that's a
did
very
answer
good
the question.
I love that question. That question for me is one question that, you know, everybody should be asking. Because questionably, I question myself.
It's not what we do. Supplements are not to be wasted. Don't waste supplements.
That shit, sensational. I should knock that shit out your hand, bro. Just watch that shit fucking piss on the floor.
Sick, baby. Say it's the last of
Oh,
it.
to God, you swinging your titty, don't hit me, dog.
I can't stay. Bro, get out of here.
Imagine this swing and then the titty just whack.
You're messing up my video. Jordan, go somewhere with that. Wait, do you do it again?
This fool dummy.
Don't do it again. Oh shit. So it's like, I didn't know you were that close, hold on. It's like,
It's right there. Is it small? We'll see. Fucking pump.
You guys can see the muscle fire out. See the heads. The split. Hard. Squeeze. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let my wrist completely drop.
I'm sure it makes sense. Yeah, it's trying to make sense.
I see you're letting it roll into your fingers at the bottom.
Just keeping my wrist bent the entire time. It's gonna target the peak of the bicep. You'll feel it. You don't need to go heavy on it. You'll feel it right away.
I feel it right now with nothing in it. I did again when I brought it up.
Don't bet it up. What do you feel it? Peak of the bicep. Stretch it all the way down. Here. All the way down. Don't come here. Don't hold it here. I want you to stretch the bicep. Let him right here. Drop him. Drop the wrist. Makes it hard. There you go.
Oh, fuck.
Come on. Keep going.
Oh, shit. Go.
Keep going. Keep going. Again.
Oh, fuck.
Let's go. One more.
Oh shit. But anyways, yo, shout out our boy Frostio. He got to see this a lot. That was a killer ass arm workout. It was. I'm hungry. Let's go eat.